Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Onions contain compounds called disulfides and thiosulfates, which can be toxic to cats and dogs if ingested. While vomiting and diarrhea may occur within one day, it may take several days to a week after your pet eats onions for symptoms of anemia to appear.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is it safe for dogs to eat garlic? According to the Merck Veterinary Manual, garlic and other members of the allium family, including onions, contain thiosulfate, which is toxic to dogs but not to humans. Thiosulfate causes oxidative damage to red blood cells, resulting in hemolytic anemia. 19 April 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
In short, yes, chicken broth is a generally safe addition to make to your dog's diet. Many broths contain additional ingredients like onion and garlic, both of which can be toxic to dogs, says Dr. the 13th of August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to NYC's Animal Medical Center, onion toxicity seems to show up when animals eat more than 0.5% of their body weight in onions at one time. In other words, 1/4 of a cup can make a 20-pound dog sick. 8 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.